Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. So I wanted to quickly do this Dollar Tree haul with all of you. I was just on my way out the door and I thought, let me just put everything on the table and go through all the things that I picked up this time at Dollar Tree. There's not a whole lot. I pretty much went there for a specific item, which I did find in one color. Can you guess what that is? And I just picked up a few more things. So I'm quickly going to go through everything. I will start with the food items. I usually like to pick up these Covered Bridge potato chips. Usually I get them in ketchup for my daughter because she loves them. But this time I picked up the all dressed, and they are crinkle cut. They are kettle cooked, and you get 102 grams. 3.6 ounces. They are also gluten-free, so I picked up a couple of those. I then picked up this Pepperidge Farms milk chocolate macadamia chocolate chunk crispy cookies, and I do like the Pepperidge Farm brand. But I hadn't tried these ones, and these were really good. If you like a more of a crunchy cookie, then I think you will really like these. And I just love the taste of the macadamia and the milk chocolate. They were really, really good. I did get 2 packs, but we already finished one. So, yeah, we did go through them as soon as we got in the car. I picked up, because my daughter loves the vanilla wafers. These are by Lady Sarah. There are 200 grams in here. Then I picked up the Golden Home Ultra Thin Pizza Crust. We really, really like these. They're great also on the grill. So I like to pick these up so that if I want to do a quick pizza, then I already have the crust on hand. Okay, then I ended up picking up this Sunripe Strawberry Energizing Conditioner. I just always like to grab conditioner for my daughter's hair. She has very, very full, curly, very ringlety hair. And this conditioner, using the conditioner really helps to keep it at bay. So I picked up one of those, and it smells really nice as well. And it's 443 milliliters. So sun-ripened strawberry with strawberry extracts and vitamin E. And then I picked up some more nail polish. These are by Cosmic Colors. I love this green. It's like a shimmery metallic green. These were actually the color of my bridesmaid dresses when I got married. I love this color, so I saw it and picked it up. And then I also picked up this pink color. It's really pretty bubblegum pink, and I did put the pink on. And I think it's really, really pretty. Really nice for spring. Okay, so next up, I have this Beauty of Eczema Skin Wash for very dry and sensitive skin. It is with 98.3% naturally derived ingredients. It's vegan and cruelty-free. There's 200 mils in here. And when I looked this up on the internet, I saw it selling on Instacart for $24. So to pick this up at Dollar Tree for $1.50 here in Canada was a really awesome find. So this item, I particularly got it for my son because he has very dry and sensitive skin. And he has used so many things with nothing really helping. But my goodness, after the first use of this, it did wonders for his skin. He had on like around his ears, a more crusty type of skin, and it's completely smooth now. So he was also using Nivea on it, but he did that with this, and he really thinks that this helped him a lot. So this was a huge help for him. And so that's why when I went back, I specifically went to look for this item, and they still had quite a few left. So I did pick up some more. A really great find, and especially because it helped him so much, I was really happy to come across this again and pick up some more. Then I picked up these Make It Blocks block storage case, and these are for your Legos. I decided just to get them because I have some reborning supplies that are smaller items, and I'm gonna probably just use them for that. But I wanted to see how they worked. I think they're super cute in the primary colors with the blue and the red. So I did pick up 2 of them, one with the blue top and one with the red top. So hopefully they work out for me, but definitely if you have any children, or you yourself, if you have Legos and you want to store them, these are really great cases. They do not stack on top of each other. The bottom is flush. That would have been pretty cool. So then you could have stacked them one on top of the other, but really cute cases just the same. So there you can see on the inside. I didn't open it up yet. Actually, let's open it up. Okay, so here you can see that the lid comes right off. I thought maybe it was attached to it, but obviously I didn't see any hinges, but I thought maybe it was on the inside. But the lid comes right off, and these dividers, they cannot be removed. But I think this is going to work out great for me for what I need it for, so really happy to have found these, and just very colorful colors, and with the Lego top, I think it's super cute. This was a surprise. I know that I picked it up in the store, but I didn't think that I put it in my cart. So I ended up purchasing it, and I'll just end up giving it to my daughter. It's a stretch unicorn. Kind of funny how I noticed it at the last second, and the cashier had already rang it through, so I was like, that's okay. I'll just give it to her. But yeah, the stretch unicorn. Super stretch, super fun. Then I picked up these napkins. I do like to get seasonal napkins to keep in my kitchen. These ones I thought were super cute. It says Farm Fresh Flowers, and then the license plate on the blue truck says Hello Spring with some flowers in the back. And then I picked this one up that says Hello Spring with the greenery wreath and some really pretty flowers, little butterfly. These would be great too to Mod Podge them on a canvas to make some fun wall art. And then I picked up these plain buffalo check. They're like a pinky peach color, really pretty. I like to get these in my bathroom. I have a 2-tiered metal basket, and on the bottom I like to put seasonal napkins in there, so that if someone doesn't want to use the hand towel that I have in there and they just want to use the napkin, they can do that. And I just add some festive touches to the bathroom and that pop of color. So I did pick up 2 of those. And then the last things that I have to show you are Easter seasonal related. I ended up picking up these carrots. You get 6 pieces in the package, so 6 carrots. And I am planning on making a really pretty spring centerpiece, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be including these in that. So I did get 4 packages of those, and then I picked up I have picked up this garland before. I just love it. It is the carrot garland. So I just add this to the greenery that Dollar Tree had last year, the garland that I absolutely love. And then with every season that changes, I just add something like this to that greenery, and it adds that pop of color and changes up the garland for every season. So I did get 2 more of those. I also came across this tulip garland, which I thought was so pretty. It's like a felt little stuffed tulip. So the tulip does look like it has something stuffed in there, and then it has the greenery on the bottom. I thought that was so pretty, so I probably will add this to my daughter's room, unless I do add it to the garland on my mantle as well. Not quite sure, but I thought it was too pretty not to pick one up. And the last thing to share with you, I found the flocked bunnies, and I only found the bunny in the blue. I wish I had found the pink one as well, but no luck. These were the last 3, and all 3 came home with me. These are super, super cute. I love how they feel. They also have this really pretty blue ribbon tied to their neck. So adorable. So I was disappointed I couldn't find the pink ones, but at least I was able to find 3 of the blue. And that is it. That is everything for my Dollar Tree haul. I'm sorry it was rushed, but I thought I wanted to film it so that I could upload it and share it with all of you. Well, guys, that'll do it. If you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It'll greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now. I had to show you how adorable this garland is. In between the tulips, I didn't realize they were little pom-poms. How cute is this?